Good evening, everyone. All right, let me just go straight into the class. If you come online, you watch it and then you comment. All right, okay. Let's go and look for our Canva app. Canva, where are you? I will just search it here. Canva. Click Canva. It's loading. It's loading network issues. All right, now there are a lot of flyers that will come up here now. All right, if you want to create logo, see where they write logos, you just click here, interchange it to your own brand name and all. Or if you want to make a flyer, let's pick one of these designs and create our own flyer. So it's good that you always create your own flyer. Not every time you pay, maybe you want to celebrate your friend's birthday, you can create flyer here and send to them. You want to celebrate anniversary of your brand, you create flyer yourself. It's not all the time that you will pay people to create flyer for you. A lot of flyers I create them myself, all right? So let me search. Let's come down and look for one flyer. Flyer, where are you? I've not seen the one I really want to use here. Okay, let's use this one. This learn the basics of freelancing. You click it. When you click it, it will load like this. Allow it to load. Anyone you want to use, just click on the flyer. All right, any flyer you want to use. You can type on the search button business flyer or any flyer you want to just type it to come up. Now, this picture of this Oyibo man pressing laptop, now we can easily remove it by clicking on that place. Now look at it as click. You click on this or you replace. If you watch down here, you will see replace, color, layers and all. You click replace. I want to replace that picture with another picture. Now, or you can go to your gallery, pick any picture you want to add to that place and replace it. Now I don't want to go to my gallery. Or let's say you have a cloth brand, you want to make a flyer for your clothes. You just pick one of the design of your clothes. Let's use this cloth as an example. It will come up now. You see the cloth. Now you write your brand name. You can change color. Let's change the color of this line from white to pink because the cloth here is giving us pink color. So let's change it to pink. We click color and it will change to pink. Then you can still maintain your font. Learn the basics of freelancing. You can remove this freelancing by deleting it. Click and delete. Now you write the name of, you can bring in your logo. Now let me show you how to bring in your logo. I will use my logo as an example. Okay, this is how you bring in your logo by clicking on this plus sign down below here. Click on it. You go to your gallery, search your logo. Your pictures are loading. This is not what you want. You can go to, let's say, your gallery. Look at gallery element, brand hub and all. So you click on gallery. But I have my logo here already. So I will just click on upload. Most of the things I've used, they are here already. So now I will just scroll down. This is my logo that I want to use right now. I'll click on my logo. It will go to the page and then I'll adjust it to the size I want. My logo is actually good on white backgrounds, all right? So I don't know if most of you know what your brand colors are. As of me, my brand color is red. Oh, I'm giving a expo of my brand color. I hope if I ask this question to do giveaway, you people will not come and steal my brand color. My brand color is blue, red, and white. But the person that redesigned it for me gave me blue, white, and pink. So it's showing pink rather than red now. I don't want to use this logo here. I just want to show you how you can bring in your logo to whatever you are designing. So I'm going to delete it out. Now you can write, what is your name? You just click, write your brand name, type. Once you click, it will show like that, and then you type Lily's collection. Who is Lily collection here? Lily's collection. And then you try to arrange it by yourself. Zoom in, zoom out, and all. What do you deal on? Let me delete this. We are a clothing brand. You just start saying what we deal on. You can put your email, put your, let's say, write your email, write your your social media handles. Let's take out this free resources here, delete it. Let's use this as let's say you want to put, you say Instagram, you want to put your social media handle at at Grace Crafters. Alright, so this is it. Now you just add our services include. If you want to write another this thing, you duplicate this one by clicking this plus sign up here. You click, duplicate it, drag it down, and you write. Our services include sales of laundry clothes. When you are done, you adjust it the way you want it. All right. What am I saying? Sales of luxury wears and more. This is for the benefit of the class. When you are designing your own, you know what to do. You know what your brand does, and you just include it. Of classic wears and a lot more. Shoes, sorry, wears, shoes, bags, earrings, anything you sell, you just include them. And then you adjust it, zoom it in anyhow you want, and adjust it like that. So when you're creating a flyer, make sure it looks eye-catching, beautiful. You must not use this one that I use. You can look for another type of flyer that will be fine. You can drag, adjust down. Anyone you want to adjust, you click on it, adjust it to whatever thing you want to adjust it. You can as well make this, you can drag this down like this, adjust it this way, drag it to make it three. Then what you should do is duplicate it here, drag it this way, duplicate it again, bring it this way, and then you replace this clothes here with another clothes by clicking on replace. I want to replace it with another clothes. Or let's say you have a bag, you can replace it with a bag. Let me use this clothes for instance. Use that clothes to come up, and I click again. I click on replace. I will now pick another cloth. It will still come to that place. So this is how you easily design your flyer. You can change color of your background. Let's say this background is black. I don't want black. You just click, change it to pink. No, pink is not that okay. Let's change it back to blue. You can change it to any color. Just be creative when using Canva. You see that you bring out something very beautiful. And you'll be shocked that a lot of people use Canva to create logos, create flyers for you, for your businesses. You don't know. You think it's computer they use. You can, these days technology has made it very easy for people to use even their phones to create these kind of things like that. So I will be very happy if you try hands on any of these things, create your own, make it beautiful, make it lovely. Just follow every step that I've given you here. When you are done, you send it here so that I will rate you. Well done. I hope you understand. If you don't understand, you still let me know. I will explain more. So when you are done, this is how you save your picture. You see this arrow that points down this way with that straight line. You click on it up there. You see it to start saving now. Network is a bit slow. Preparing your design, making the magic happen. Just start saving. Once it's done saving, Just watch carefully. Here now, it has saved already. Where do you want to share it to? WhatsApp, Facebook, anywhere. If you don't want to share it to anywhere, you just click on this, click up here, and it just disappear. And then you can go back, go to your gallery. Let's go to our gallery, AI gallery. Gallery self, they carry network open. Excuse me, please. Open. Just wait for it to load. Alright, so you scroll and check your design. Where is it? Look at Canva. It's here. Look at it here. Wow. Just try and be creative, you know.